Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Cleaning the CTD sensor on your Dell E525w printer will fix color density errors and improve print quality. This sensor measures toner levels and keeps colors accurate. Dust often blocks the lens and causes problems. First, turn off your printer and unplug the power cord for safety. Locate the rear cover on the back of the machine. Push the release lever and swing the cover open. You will see a small plastic lens near the center. This is the CTD sensor. Take a clean and dry cotton swab. Do not use water or cleaning chemicals on the sensor. Gently wipe the surface of the lens with the swab to remove any dust or toner buildup. Look for any other debris nearby and clear it away. Make sure the lens looks clear and shiny. Once you finish cleaning, close the rear cover firmly until it clicks into place. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Turn the printer on and wait for it to initialize. The printer will perform a self-test to check the sensors. If the error message persists, you might need to clean it again or check your toner cartridges. Regular maintenance like this prevents streaks and light prints. It also extends the life of your printer hardware. Keep the area around the printer clean to reduce dust intake. Follow these steps whenever you see a density sensor error on your display screen. Your printer should now produce sharp and vibrant colors for all your documents. This simple process saves time and money on repairs. You have successfully cleaned the CTD sensor on your device.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.